How can young people deal with control and counter-control at work? In modern society, many young people find their relationships with their companies and leaders somewhat strained after starting their jobs. Different young people exhibit different behaviors and attitudes. Some exhibit sycophantic behavior. They flatter their superiors to gain promotions or other benefits. However, this behavior often doesn't lead to good results in the long term because it is merely a short-term strategy that does not truly solve the problem. Their actions are driven by habitual thinking, lacking innovation and breakthroughs, making it difficult to achieve long-term success at work. Regardless of how young people think or act at work, they might not realize the conflict between control and counter-control. This is one of the most critical issues they face when entering a new workplace and stepping into society. There is a clear conflict between their desire for freedom and the reality of control. This conflict is particularly apparent in young people. Young people typically have a strong desire for counter-control, wanting to express their individuality and creativity at work. However, they may lack the ability to resist and don't have the mindset needed to handle these issues. As a result, they often find themselves in a predicament when facing the conflict between control and counter-control. Some young people might choose to escalate the conflict to express their dissatisfaction, which may lead them to take extreme measures at work. Instead, they should seek solutions to address the challenges they face. This requires them to continuously learn and grow to develop stronger adaptability and self-control. The root cause of all these problems lies in the issue of self-control. Young people need to learn how to balance control and counter-control at work, building their self-control abilities. This not only helps them succeed at work but also helps them better adapt to society and establish healthy interpersonal relationships. By continually developing their self-control abilities, young people can gradually master how to find balance at work. This will help them achieve better results in their careers while maintaining inner balance and stability. Additionally, young people can try the following methods to improve their self-control. Cultivate independent thinking. Young people should cultivate independent thinking skills, learning to make judgments in different situations. This will help them make rational choices when facing challenges instead of blindly following others' opinions. Maintain emotional stability. Emotional management is crucial at work. Young people can maintain inner calm through meditation, exercise, or other means. Staying cool-headed and rational under the pressure of control and counter-control. Seek guidance and feedback. Young people can seek guidance and feedback from experienced colleagues or mentors. This helps them understand their strengths and weaknesses and find areas for improvement. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals and priorities at work can help young people stay focused and avoid unnecessary external distractions. Learn communication and collaboration. Good communication and collaboration skills help young people adapt better to the work environment. By establishing good relationships with others, they can better handle work challenges. Adjust their mindset. Young people should learn to adjust their mindset and accept various changes in reality. They should recognize that adapting to the work environment requires flexibility and resilience. Through these methods, young people can gradually master self-control techniques and find balance at work. This not only helps them achieve better results in their careers but also provides them with more satisfaction and fulfillment in life. So, how can young people apply these techniques to achieve a balance between control and counter-control at work?